Easy.
We're so good at games. Oh god. Oh.
Oh shit. Okay.
Suck my popsicle. Oh.
Anybody litters and she just like cocks up her gun like, who wants some?
Traveling to
I wanna be some avslagt Hanse before I går. Hva skal jeg gjøre med livet nå?
What am I gonna do now?
Satan it is.
Satan it is. Fuck. I'm gonna go soldier. Daddy's home. Oh god. No, far up. Oh wow. Oh, you're so good at freezing people. I'm getting all stiff here. I'm gonna leave the game so you can fix your mic. Yeah, I
Hear me?
yes, I can hear you.
What the fuck? This game is so stupid. It's like, well, except you can sometimes. Blizzard fucking fix your shit
Wow,
game.
Blizzard, wow.
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 Wow. Like, every time I'm playing with friends and whatnot, it's just like, I disconnect like once every 2 games or something. You probably noticed it when I tried to play with you. I played with them earlier today with no voice chat, and I could play like 8 games before I finally disconnected, so...
Okay.
That's like 4 times as many games before the internet shits itself, so that's pretty good.
How much ping do you have?
My resting ping is between 90 and 100, and then every 10 seconds or so it spikes to about 150 to 200, and then every... there's like... sometimes every 30 seconds it goes to about 2000. But it's like... You could just take my entire room, just burn it, it's just like a trash heap. You don't have to do
I know, I saw it. And me and friends was like, how do you live like this? I don't understand. We were just like gaping like, oh, how is this even possible? How can he breathe? If you lose your phone, how do you find it? It's not even light in there. It's gone forever. I have to get a new one.
It's legitimately just like, if I lose something, it's like I'll never see it again.
Oh my
It's
god.
like-
So half of your room is like storage place?
Yeah, pretty much.
Oh.
And then it's like, even if I cannot fire my bow anymore.
What?
My bow is jammed. I can't draw it. Seriously, I can't draw my bow anymore.
What?
Yeah, great Widowmaker. You just stay up there.
Just, yeah, you better stay up there, you
Stay
bitch.
little snipe, this is helping.
Yeah, you better pose like that, you fucking dweeb.
I'll give it to you.
Oh, thank you. I love me some meatballs.
I remember some stand-up comedian demonstrated how in like Scottish, if you speak it like, or like a Scottish accent, if you speak it like really quietly, it's like a really humble, really like, you know, really friendly type of accent, right?
Yeah.
And then if you yell it, it's like really angry. But in like Cockneyan, if you're like yelling, you're just like a really friendly chum. But this fucking second you speak a little bit friendly, eh? You speak to a real bit.
My god,
He
you
did that
sound
accent, but just like, we're just talking really slow and quiet, it got like a really creepy.
Oh my god, kill her for fuck's sake, Jesus.
I can't.
Aren't you a pro gamer?
I haven't played games in like fucking months.
You suck at aiming, like me? Play Symmetra.
Oh, that's not gonna help.
When you get what you want, but not what you need.
Hey Sonata, what do you want for Christmas? Allahu Akbar.
Like, yeah, like, also Yara just looks angry, like, I have those, like, two slits underneath his eyes, like, eyebrows above. It's just really pissed. Camille, get through this, just bang.
I hope this works. I put some turrets like... No!
Get her.
I got her.
Hey.
Help me!
Manky.
Monkey, I believe in you.
Consolidate our defense
Fire did it as well.
Oh my god, we did it! Look at how much it was! Somebody fucking with my fucking elevator. No,
Yeah,
I mean
teleporter?
not an elevator, but my teleporter.
Yeah, I killed him for you, so he
Oh,
doesn't just
thank you! They're fucking with my teleporter. They're fucking with my teleporter. My teleporter is down. Here you go, shield.
Thank you.
Thank you!
I made good use of to go murder a monkey. Man, killing endangered animals are fun. Okay.
Fire at will! Fire at my grill! I will put down a shield generator.
Oh. Bonus shields. Bonus sticks.
I could just imagine, like, Senyara can't, like, express himself, so he's actually screaming. Like, experience tranquility! Overconfidence is a flimsy shield!
Soldier, please.
Soldier 76.
Soldier 70 sass.
Overconfidence is a flimsy shield.
Oh, again.
Overconfidence is a flimsy shield! I can't get it out of my head. He's like meditating. Shut the fuck up! Because I'm constantly screaming like, no, no, no!
I insulted the right one. Look at the sprays. I insult them. Fucking robots.
Jesus, stop telling me that shit.
Healing stream. Healing stream.
Roll the damage!
The turrets no longer exists. Very damage boosting me, like expect me to be like a siege engine.
You're doing so much better than everyone
Yeah.
else. So you're doing so good.
Heal it, please. Thank you. High velocity, Senora.
I will show you what my balls can do.
Allow me to make my
I
case.
need a cigarette.
What the hell, yeah. Get him.
Oh, I died, son.
Get him.
Get him!
In hard.
Get
That's so
him!
strong.
Get him! Help me! I need help!
I got a massive light spike while reloading. You know how at the end of Senyor's reload he like claps his hands?
Uh-huh.
He was just like, because the light spike, he was just like furiously clapping while everyone else had died. Alright, alright. Oh god, Baldrich, seriously.
I got you, man. I got you.
Get him. Get him.
I got him.
Like, Reinhardt is moving around so much, so like on hand I wanna shoot the McCree before he can kill us, but he's like wiggling so much, I'm afraid like McCree will like see me for a split second and kill me.
Healing power. I will be your wife.
Nice.
I need a cigarette, honey.
Mercy just started dying.
Like, when she gets home, like, she takes off her makeup and sit down on the couch and like, hey honey, bring me a beer and cigarettes. And she's like really wrinkly.
She's actually like a 50-year-old
Yeah.
I just this way to impress Genji.
Just what you put. Genji, you're
She's not
beautiful.
the actual doctor. She's just making Genji happy.
No!
Nice
I
effect,
thought you died. Did you
sometimes
die?
killing people by headshot feel kind of like excessive. It's like the Genji's deflecting. He's clearly trying to bait Hanzo into like shooting him, and I just walk behind and just like lodge my nuts into his back and kill him. It's like, the poor man, he didn't ask for this.
I need to ask for this.
Other rascals. The loose titans.
If that fucking Reinhardt dies, I'm gonna be so mad.
If you die, you're in big trouble.
He's really fucking
Wait,
good.
join who?
It's a guy called Melk. He's
Oh.
fucking milk, like, he's really good.
Well, by whose standards?
Like, my stand, like, he's
Oh.
probably the best dude I've ever played with. He doesn't
Oh,
sucky sucky with the kaki kaki.
Oh,
He's
okay.
really good.
This is the worst kind of lag I have right now, because I have
God,
like
we're sucky
130,
with the kaki.
but it's just a slideshow.
We're dead.
Like, for
Die.
latency, for some reason, because of latency, it turns into slideshow, and I don't know why.
Oh.
So
Well,
I
look
get
at all the
like
dead people.
5 frames a second, I'm like, how am I supposed to dodge shit like this? Oh hell
Oh
yeah,
shit.
please be done. Oh my god, yes, it's the one.
Okay.
Like, look, the end of this is amazing. I think the best thing is my ult is just about to end, so if he had to wait like half a second, he would have shot me dead. He
Yeah.
was like, I gotta shoot him while he's going.
Man, we got a tank, bro. We got a tank.
I'm tanking.
We only need a fucking. Yes, thank you.
Yeah, pretty much like I walk in and everyone's just like flying around. It's like I don't know what I'm supposed to be doing in this situation.
Can't believe the soldier just like attacked me.
Just like I thought he made a teleporter. I was like, why did you make a teleporter?
I gave you the shield.
Yeah, but I thought it was like teleporter or not. Like, why?
Oh yeah. Oh my god, you almost died.
Oh, we actually won the game. Holy fuck.
Yay.